Pistachios are high in antioxidant properties. Even the shells of pistachios are found to contain a considerable amount of antioxidants, as per a study published in the Journal of Food Chemistry. Antioxidants neutralize the free radicals that form in the body after cellular metabolism and increase the risk of conditions like cancer and heart disease. Number 2. Promotes heart health. Consuming pistachios regularly as part of a balanced diet can decrease the levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, in the body. The antioxidants, phytosterols, and unsaturated fatty acids are great for promoting a healthy heart. The nuts are also a potent source of an amino acid called I-arginine, which prevents the hardening of arteries and the formation of blood clots. Number 3. Helps to maintain body weight. They are an optimal choice for people who are dieting. Pistachios, with their lower calories, high protein, low saturated fat, and high unsaturated fats, are a perfect contender for ideal weight management. Researchers from the Center for Human Nutrition, California, have confirmed its weight management properties. Number 4. 6. Aids in absorption of iron. Pistachios have a high copper content, which helps in the higher absorption of iron into the body from food sources. This can help combat conditions like anemia as the hemoglobin count rises and increases blood flow. Number 7. Skincare. Pistachios also help in eliminating dryness from the skin. Healthy fatty acid content plays a major role in this aspect. The fat also acts as a good carrier of base oil, as it is used as an ingredient in traditional therapies like aromatherapy and traditional massage therapy. Number 8. Aphrodisiac properties. Pistachios can influence sexual vitality in men according to the International Journal of Impotence Research. Studies have shown that those men who had a daily intake of about 100 grams of these nuts for 3 weeks improved their erectile function by around 50%. This was confirmed by ultrasound scans of blood flow in the penis. Number 9. Controls diabetes. People with diabetes can benefit from pistachios. Antioxidants present in pistachios help in reducing the process of glycation, when sugars form inappropriate bonds with proteins and make them unusable. It also controls blood sugar levels and blood pressure, according to a study cited in the Review of Diabetic Studies in 2014. Number 10. Has anti-inflammatory properties. The presence of vitamin A, E, and other vitamins possess anti-inflammatory properties, meaning that incorporation of pistachios in the healthy diet help in reducing inflammation in almost any part of the body. Number 11. Neuroprotective. The high amount of vitamin B6 present in pistachios helps in building the amino acids essential in transmitting nerve impulses. Thus, it also plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy nervous system. Number 12.